Must your doctor intend to injure you before you can sue in the state of Maryland? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to quickly share with you some very important information. And I'm shooting this video today because not only have I heard this from individuals who've contacted my office, but I've also read this online on some of my social media stuff. And what it deals with is that a lot of people think that before you can sue your doctor in the state of Maryland, it has to be intentional. You have to show that what the doctor did, that the doctor intended to injure you. In other words, your doctor got up that morning out of bed and said, you know what, I'm going to injure patient X. Is that a correct statement of Maryland law? The short answer is no. That is not the correct way to look at these types of cases. When we are talking about a medical malpractice case in the state of Maryland, we are essentially dealing with a form of negligence. And Maryland law requires that to be successful in these types of cases, you have to show that your treating doctor fell below the standard of care owed to you at the time, and by falling below that standard of care, this is what caused your injury, your damages, your harm. That is the analysis that has to take place when we're talking about a medical malpractice case. So if you step back and you think about that analysis, where in that analysis are we looking at intentional actions from the doctor? I'm going to wait. The answer is there's nowhere. Nowhere in that analysis are we looking at intent, or we're looking at whether the doctor intended to do it. It's enough if the doctor did not give you good and acceptable medical care and deviated from the standard that was owed to you and caused your injury. That is where the analysis takes place. And in that analysis, whether the doctor got up that morning and intended to injure you, that is irrelevant when we're talking about a Maryland medical malpractice case. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Because I'm trying to give you insight into the Maryland medical malpractice process. You may be watching this video because you thought that you would have to prove that your doctor intended to injure you before you could go forward with the medical malpractice case. Hopefully now, by watching this video, you now have a better understanding of some of the crucial issues that are present in a Maryland medical malpractice case. If you have more questions about your injury and you would like to talk with me further about what you've got going on, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And what is that action? To pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time, and I'll be happy to take some time to listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.